We all know how powerful ChatGPT or any other LLM can be when you provide a lot of context to it. So one of the reasons that's preventing you from providing a lot of context would be that you have like typed that all in. So I recently started using dictation to type in these large prompts, and I found that it can save a lot of time. And you know, the results that I get from these LLMs have been much better when I provide a lot of context. The good thing about using dictation now is the Whisper model has now become really good at identifying your, even like for someone like me who is not a native speaker, it does a really good job, and I don't really need to do a lot of changes once it's transcribed. And anyway, like these AI tools are really good at recognizing what you're saying so that you don't need to really like correct the grammar or anything. You'd be amazed to see how much of typing that you can do with a small amount of time using dictation. So I'm going to show a quick demo of like how I use dictation, and you will be able to see how quickly I put together a large prompt. I personally use Mac Whisper for dictation because it allows me to type anything anywhere using dictation, not just ChatGPT or anything. So I created this demo project in Claude and already uploaded a brief of what the project is about. It's an online platform for tutors of Sri Lanka to reduce the admin work for them. So, so I'm going to give a prompt to Claude to understand the experience of the tutor and how the end platform should look like. So let's see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press option and start speaking. And then when I release the option key, it transcribes what I have spoken during that period. Right. So I want to get an understanding of the end experience of the tutor portal and how the platform should look like. So in the tutor portal, I want to see the classes that I manage and also the different sessions that I have in those classes, and also be able to manage the payments received by the students. So in classes, I should be able to like see a list of the classes that I have and be able to create a new class which involves typing the title, description, the class schedule where I should be able to add multiple slots, and the start date of the class, the subject, and the year of the class. For sessions, once the class is created, I should be able to see at least a month ahead of sessions. And for the upcoming sessions, I should be able to like upload material for them. And for the past sessions, I should be able to see their and the attendance for those sessions. And collecting payments as a tutor is a real hassle to me because I'm conducting these classes online and I don't really get to physically meet the students. So one way of solving this, I feel, would be to send them a reminder SMS and an email asking them to like make the payment. And as the tutor, I should be able to see what payments are pending and what have been already paid. So can you help me get an experience? Okay. So I've released the option key. Let's see what it comes up with. It usually does a really good job. This whole paragraph was written in like I think in like a minute. If I was to like type this out, I think it would have taken a lot more time. So it's really easy to like prompt these large paragraphs using dictation, as you can see. As you can see, like it's coming up with the code, and I think it's gonna come up with the how the UI would look like. And you can see in the paragraph, it's done a really good job. It already automatically applied the full stops, the commas, and all. So I don't really need to like do a lot of editing before I send this to Claude. Alright, so it's how with the design, sessions, payments. Okay. So it seems the create new class button is not working, so I want to see how that should look like. So I'm gonna ask that quickly. When I click create new class, it doesn't do anything. Can you show what would be the experience when you click on that? As you can see, it's pretty easy to like carry out the discussion with Claude because it's easy to like just speak to it rather than type everything. It makes it like really similar to having a natural experience. It takes getting used to and get time to like build the muscle memory. For example, you should like wait like a second before you speak, because otherwise the starting words will be cut out. And also to the fact that you are actually speaking to a computer. That's something I had to take some time to get used to. It might feel weird in the beginning, but trust me, once you get used to it, this is super powerful and saves a lot of time. It's something that I've adapted across different tools now, not just with ChatGPT or Claude. I've used this for Slack, typing Slack messages, emails, writing blogs. Whenever it takes like more than 5 seconds to type something, I just use dictation, just press option and just speak and just release that. So it's so much easier using dictation. So I hope you really found this video helpful. And yeah, please go ahead and try dictation. You're gonna never come back to typing again. Be patient in the beginning. It's gonna take a bit of getting used to, as I said, to build that muscle memory. But once you build it, it's gonna be really powerful. So I'm gonna do more videos like this in the future about productivity, product management, and also different tools and software that I use. Thank you for watching this video. See you again soon.